it's late, it's time to go, but this has been an absolutely wonderful evening to come and share these beautiful, beautiful songs and this wonderful, the pair of them, Paul Simon and Art Garfunkel, two brilliant artists. It's an absolute honour and a privilege to be able to play these songs for you. Thank you so much for your time, company, friendship, patience. It's been great, thank you so much. So hopefully we'll be back around these parts before too long. I've managed to get my guitar tangled up. This is really authentic. This is just how Paul Simon does it. He has like the guys come do it for him. They don't like it. You want me to? No, I'll go ahead tomorrow. Don't worry. It's really good there. It looks complicated, but it's not what's going on. Oh, show's over. Going to have a look now. I think that's just written a suit bending over there. It's only a Primark suit. That's Paul Simon gets all his suits. He does, I've seen him there. Children's section. Anyway, we are going to finish now, and so we're going to finish, as we so often do with these kinds of things, by singing the song Cecilia. I should probably point out on the screen behind me is the real life version of My Tank Top. Though it always looks like he's got his belly button out or something. Yeah, it looks like a crop top. The chap at the front, we should probably mention, the chap at the front is Roy Halley. He was their trusted friend and producer who kind of created their sound, if you like, and produced all the Simon Garfunkel albums and was still working with Paul until quite recently. And the other guy, I don't know who that is. No. David Gower, I think. Who? David Gower, I think. Garfunkel. Someone in Garfunkel. Okay, for the longest time, I thought this was just a simple love song about a man who gets jilted. And we were playing a gig in Birmingham years ago now, 15, 16 years ago. And the guy stood up at the front, stopped the gig stone dead and said, no, nothing to do with a woman called Cecilia. This song is dedicated to Saint Cecilia, patron saint of songwriters. Paul Simon had writer's block, and so he's cross, he's upset because he can't write a song. And when he sings Jubilation, down on my knees. So Jubilation, she loves me again, down on my knees, and I'm laughing. He's pleased because his muse has returned to him and his song is complete. In the intervening 15, 16 years, I must have told that story thousands of times to tens of thousands of people. I've told it in wonderful venues like this, in theatres, art centres, working men's clubs, pubs, folk clubs, cruise ships. I've told this story across seas and oceans. Turns out it's utter and complete lies. Yeah, very strange, isn't it? Just made the whole thing up. Just goes around spouting nonsense in public. Yeah, fake news. He's standing for Birmingham West on July the 4th.